So we're on the metro and we are at the Dar El Salam stop. Our next stop is, I think it's our next stop is Gilgis is George. So it's a reference to St. George. And we'll get off and right there is the Coptic Cairo and the churches and the museum. That's where we're going today.
Okay, cool.
Turn around and see. Up there.
Where? Oh, there's the church. Right here. Okay, what's this?
That's the Roman fort, now called Babylon, used to be called Babel. Over there on the right, the hanging church. Over there on the left is the St. George's Church. The St. Mary Church, famous hanging church. The church goes back to the late 4th century AD. Built over two towers of the Roman fortress, the Babylon fortress, which was built by Trajan in AD 98.
What's in here? What are you photographing?
This is part of the old Roman fort. See, it's reconstructed, but you can also see some of the old brickwork still there between the new columns.
Quite a nice little garden. We're going to the Church of the Virgin Mary now, having just been to the Church of St. George's. Okay, what do you know about the Virgin Mary Church?
It marks the spot where the Holy Family, Joseph, Mary and Jesus stopped on their way through Egypt for a rest on the banks of the River Nile.
Okay, so the Nile was closer up then, when it
must
was,
have been closer, yes.
because it's probably,
About a kilometre away now.
yeah, so that's all due to the Aswan Dam, eh?
I don't know, but rivers
Okay,
do
like,
move
yeah,
when they
so they
cross.
used to have the flood, didn't they? So,
Hello.
hello.
From
Ganuk Afrika? Good, tamam. Habibti. Yeah. So we are now going to the actual grotto where where Jesus and Mary and Joseph on their trip through Egypt actually came and rested here close to the Nile. This is the actual spot. Now going into St. George's Shrine. People write little requests in here. They put their requests in there. Now we're going into the Church of St. Barbara. Come out the complex and just suddenly into this poverty and dereliction and just yucky. Eh? Such a mixture of emotions. Must have been beautiful in its day. The obligatory sabah here.